Welcome back to our Ethos Deep Dive series. In this episode, we're focusing on the bedrock of all achievement: discipline. If you've ever struggled to keep commitments to yourself or others, this video is for you. Discipline is often misunderstood as rigid or punishing. But in Ethos, discipline is about aligning your daily actions with your deeper values. It's the glue that holds dreams and reality together. Without it, even the greatest ambitions remain fantasies. As we covered in the Ethos overview video, each of the 5 core virtues can be broken down into subcategories that make it easier and more actionable to work on improving the virtue they make up. For discipline, those sub-virtues are consistency, perseverance, and self-control. Consistency is showing up day after day. Small daily actions, done relentlessly, compound into big results. Perseverance is continuing even when results aren't immediate or setbacks arise. It's the steady heartbeat that keeps you moving forward. Self-control is the ability to stick to your principles despite temptations. It's a critical shield against the distractions that want to derail you. Let's bring these sub-virtues to life. A writer who commits to 500 words every single morning or evening, consistency, eventually completes a novel. An entrepreneur who keeps refining their product, even when sales are low, perseverance, often stumbles upon innovation. A student who deliberately turns off social media alerts during study time, self-control, outperforms peers who get constantly distracted. Pitfalls often include all-or-nothing mindset. Missing one day's habit can feel like total failure. Remember, discipline is about course correcting. Even if you miss a few days in a row, it's important to restart while working to identify what caused you to break your habit. Burnout from overcommitment. Taking on too many habits at once can backfire. Try making one difficult or 2 smaller changes at a time. Any more and you risk burning yourself out. Once they become second nature, then take on new challenges. Lack of clarity. If your values or goals aren't crystal clear, discipline becomes mechanical rather than meaningful, or worse. Your efforts are aimless, like an archer firing an arrow blindly and expecting to hit the target. Pick one habit, say 10 minutes of morning exercise, and stay consistent until it doesn't require any thought. It is simply something you do. Then add another habit. Discipline thrives on sustainable progress. Use a journal or digital tracker to log successes and failures. Seeing progress creates a positive feedback loop. Spotting patterns helps you course correct. Always strive to identify why you stumbled when you do, because you certainly will. What matters is how you recover from the setback. That is resilience, the core virtue we will be covering in next week's video. It also helps to tell a friend or mentor about your goals. External accountability can be a powerful boost, turning private ambition into shared commitment. Finally, be sure to celebrate milestones, both big and small. Rewards reinforce the behavior and remind you why you started. Try the 7-day discipline challenge. Choose one key habit aligned with your values. Commit to it every day for a week. No excuses. Track daily progress in a journal. At the end of the week, reflect on what changed. Did you feel more focused, more purposeful? If you need help structuring this change, check out the free virtue tracker on our website. Remember, discipline is the bedrock foundation upon which all other virtues are built. Embrace it, and you'll see how it accelerates growth across every area of your life. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and share your discipline journey in the comments. Send this video to someone you think might benefit from it. And please subscribe to keep diving deeper into the virtues of Ethos. As always, stay strong and live your ethos.